Okay, here's Jackson. We are going to try day 2 of solids in sippy cup. Today is carrots. Okay, he's trying, but we'll get there. Okay. Ready for your carrots? Hold on. Baby, you just got it all over you. Hold on. What do you think? What do you think? Do you like the carrots? Okay. Let's try some more carrots. We're opening our mouth for it. That's good. I think we like carrots. Yum, yum. Yummy. Is that good? Try a little of our sippy cup. Here. Okay. No go on the sippy cup yet. Want some more carrots? I think he likes carrots. That makes Mommy happy. Okay. We're gonna finish the rest on our own. Say bye, Jackson. Say bye-bye.